You are tired of dark spots and even skin tone? Here is quick DIY face mask that work wonder. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a few drops of lemon juice. Mix it thoroughly until you get smoothed paste. Apply this to your face. Focus in the dark spots part. Leave it at least 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes before rinsing it off. So after mix everything this way, before you apply it, always make sure to wash your face with a cold water before apply your face mask. Don't apply it into your face while your face is dry. So now I wash my face. I use cotton, or you can use cotton pad to wipe the water out before apply the face mask. Always remember, if you have dark spots, maybe your armpits is dark, or your between your legs is dark, under part is dark, you can remove your thing, because you know that turmeric is having something else. So to remove it, and make sure you put it that place also to bright those places that you think or you know that is dark and you are feeling uncomfortable. Apply this to that side and sit at least 15 to 20 minutes before go and wash it and get. Guys, mind you, after washing your face, you need to get your moisturizing oil or cream to moisturize your face. But if you know that you are using some oils or some creams that is having chemicals, and you know that is those cream cause you to that problem, don't buy different one again. If you start using this face mask, don't use any chemicals again. Just concentrate, focus the natural things, and you see the result that is going to be amazing for you. So now when you do it, even your ears part, if you want, you can brighten your neck. Also you can do the mask to that place. But before, let's check and see the benefit of ingredients. Turmeric is reducing pigmentation, honey also is locking in moisture, and lemon lighten dark spot with vitamin C. Using this 2 to 3 times a week is the best result, and watch your natural glowing return. So don't forget, also try to subscribe, like and share for us. So guys, after 15 to 20 minutes later, I take my shower. You can see my face. I'm showing it to you guys because I'm working on it. I know one day you guys may asking or wondering what I use. So now I have my Carol Johnson baby oil that I infuse. If you want to watch that video, please check my channel and watch that video. So that one that I'm going to use to moisturize my face. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.